Got a new lock to play with, all the way from China. Euro style, 7-pin. Yep, 7 pins there. Dimple lock. And there's the key. The bitting. Never had a lock with so many spare keys. You get 2 red ones and 5 blue ones, and that's what's written on it. Doesn't mean anything much to me, but I won't be using these or these licorice stick picks. I'm gonna be using the City Rake from Sparrows. So let's get on with it. Okay, so here we go. It is locked up, and we're going to pick this 7-pinner with just an ordinary wiper tension blade insert and the City Rake. I just got this lock yesterday, and those Chinesium picks weren't a good fit, so I started poking all kinds of stuff down here to see what would happen, and this thing opened it up real quick. There we go, got it again. Oh damn, yeah, got it again, but I've got stuck on the I forget with these Euros. With this one, if you can see, it has pins. When you turn that halfway, you'll get caught up with the pins there. So what I do is I just make it go back. I just use the back of the pick and force the pins up, and that gets you out of trouble. Get you back to where you were. So best thing to do once you've picked it is get it, don't turn it up past 12 o'clock or then pins will drop in. Use the spinning tool. I've got one here I've had for years, so I'll do that. I'll show you the spinner in operation. Okay, so I got it picked there, as you can see, and you can see the bolt there. Okay, I'm going to spin this, and I'm going to try and get it on slow motion. We'll see what will happen, if it will work or not. Might be kind of interesting. Alright, so that's flipped it right round, so you can see there. So that's it. I'll throw in a bit of slow-mo, see if it'll work or not. But thanks for watching. Catch you later, guys.